Welcome to Simply English. In this section, we are going to begin with English greetings, introductions, and farewells that are commonly used in business and personal settings. These can be used immediately in your everyday language. We are also going to learn about formal titles, personal titles, when and why we use them. As for grammar, in this section we are going to learn about possessive adjectives, how to use them, and we are going to compare them to subject pronouns. At last, we're going to deepen our understanding of the verb to be in its three simple present forms. So let's begin. Greetings, introductions, and farewells. The title for this section is Let's Meet and Greet. What is a meet and greet? It's a business event to meet new people, get new business contacts, and expand your network. We're going to listen to a telephone reservation for a meet and greet event.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'm calling about tonight's meet and greet. Do I need a reservation?
Yes, ma'am, you do. I also need your personal information. Can I have your first name?
Stephanie.
And your last name?
Hamilton.
How do you spell that?
Hamilton.
And how can we reach you, Miss Hamilton?
You can call my cell phone number at 819-555-4121.
Okay, so Miss Hamilton, we will be waiting for you at the bar at 5 p.m. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
To greet is a verb. It means the action to address someone with nice words when they arrive. Greetings is a noun that has the same meaning as the verb to greet. Let's look at some examples of greetings. Hello, how are you? Hey, what's up? Good afternoon. How's it going? How do you do? Good morning. Hey, what's new? Hi, how are things? Good day to you. Say the greetings with me. Hello, how are you? Hey, what's up? Good afternoon. How's it going? How do you do? Good morning. Hey, what's new? Hi, how are things? Good day to you. Greetings can be formal or informal. At work, with colleagues, greetings are formal. With friends and family, greetings are informal. Here are some formal greetings to say to your colleagues. How do you do? Hello, how are you? Good day to you. Good morning. Here are some informal greetings to say to your family and friends. How's it going? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's new? Hi, how are things? We use introductions to introduce a person to another person. Nice to meet you, Justin. Nice to meet you too, Li Wei. Julie. Hello, how are you today? Simon. I'm very well, thank you. Julie. I would like to introduce you to Peter. Julie. Peter, this is Simon. He's my colleague. Peter. Hello, Simon. A pleasure to meet you. Simon. A pleasure to meet you too. Now it's your turn to read this dialogue. Stop the video and practice reading it as many times as you need until you are able to read it with the highlight. For this listening and writing activity, go to your PDF leaflet, listen to the dialogue, write the missing words. Tara. Hey Marcus, what's up? Marcus. Nothing much. You? Tara. I would like to introduce you to Gabrielle. Marcus. Nice to meet you, Gabrielle. Gabrielle. Nice to meet you too. We say farewells when we leave, to say goodbye. See you later. There are formal and informal farewells. Formal farewells to your colleagues. It was a pleasure to meet you. It was a pleasure seeing you this morning. It was nice meeting you. Goodbye. Informal farewells to your friends and family. Nice to meet you. Nice seeing you. See you later. Later.